Hey y'all, every once in a while we get a little sweet tooth. Not too often, but sometimes. So we're going to make some fruit dumplings. Now, what's super popular is blackberry dumplings, but I'm going to use peach with some blackberry. So go ahead and get you a quart of fruit. If it's fresh fruit, you want to add about 2 cups of water with about a 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't like to make mine too sweet, or you can use honey. Get that up to a boil, and then we're going to take about 1.5 cups of flour and 1/4 cup of sugar, and let's put in about, maybe about 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I like to put a little shake of nutmeg in it, and a little bit of salt. And let's just wet that and make that dumpling consistency, maybe about 3/4 cup of milk, something like that. Okay, let's mix that up and make some dumplings. In the meantime, we're bringing our fruit up to a boil. Alright, we got our dumplings here. And we are going to just plop off a little, I don't know, tablespoon and a half size dollops into your boiling fruit. Alright? You want it boiling right when you start, but basically you want to take this down to a simmer. You're going to want a good tight-fitting lid for your pan because you're going to cover this, and just like chicken and dumplings, you don't want to lift the lid until these dumplings are done. That should be, I don't know, maybe about 8 minutes. So we're going to do that, and we're going to cover this nice and tight until they're ready to go.